Welcome. In this video, we will use VBA to clear contents from a worksheet. We have here a copy of our sales tab where it has all our sales data. We will now write a VBA code to clear all the data from the sheet. We will open our VBA and now let's write our code. We want to clear columns A through J. And that is our code. Now let's run, and here we have sheet 1. We have a code written. We will now run the code to test. And there you have it. The contents from column A through J was deleted. And that is how you write a VBA code to clear contents. Now, in the event that you have columns that goes beyond column J, for example, if you have data in columns A through L, all you would need to do is go back to your code and change J to L. So you would go to the column where you have data, and that is our VBA code. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment.